Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dhaval from FP&A Professionals Institute. And today I want to answer a big question. Why is FP&A becoming one of the most important functions in modern finance? Why are CFOs investing more in FP&A teams? Why are so many accountants, auditors, and finance professionals trying to move into this space? The short answer, because FP&A is the future of finance. And in this video, I'll tell you exactly why with examples, trends, and what it means for your career. Let's dive in. Finance is no longer just about reporting. Traditionally, finance was focused on recording transactions, ensuring compliance, closing the books, producing reports. Is it important? Absolutely. But it is reactive and backward looking. Today, businesses need more than that. They need partners who can look ahead and connect numbers to strategy and guide them in decision making real time. That's where FP&A comes in. What is FP&A really about? FP&A, or financial planning and analysis, is all about planning where the business is headed, analyzing performance drivers, forecasting future outcomes, and supporting leaders with decision making tools. In short, FP&A moves finance from the back office seat to the front seat. You're not just reporting what happened, you're shaping what happens next. Why is FP&A the future? Here are 5 powerful reasons why FP&A is at the center of the finance evolution. 1. The business environment is more volatile than ever. We live in the world of rapid tech shifts, supply chain disruptions, changing customer behaviors, and global uncertainty. For example, when I was working as a CFO of an advertising company, our biggest challenge was that most of our clients were not ready to sign long-term contracts. This put a lot of pressure on the yearly revenue forecast. Businesses can't afford static budgets anymore. They need rolling forecasts, real-time scenario modeling, and agile decision support. FP&A enables the flexibility. It gives leadership the confidence to pivot fast without flying blind. Second reason is that data is exploding, but insight is scarce. Companies are drowning in data, sales data, operational data, customer data, but without analysis, data is just noise. FP&A teams turn raw data into clean visuals, actionable insights, strategic recommendations, and as tools like Power BI, Tableau, and AI are more accessible, FP&A professionals are becoming data translators and bridging the gap between information and execution. For instance, in my CFO role, I always ensure that business teams get precise, actionable insights rather than just some report from a tool. Third, CFOs are becoming strategic leaders. Today's CFOs are no longer just controllers of the cost. They are growth advisors, digital transformation leaders, risk managers, and sustainability champions. And what team supports the CFO most closely in all these areas? FP&A. As the CFO role evolves, so does the need for strong, agile, and business-oriented FP&A team. 4. Automation is shifting the focus to value creation. Yes, automation is taking over transactional tasks like journal entries, reconciliations, manual report building, but that is good news for FP&A. Why? Because it frees up time for strategy, modeling, decision support, and business partnering. The future of finance is not about doing more reports, it's about delivering more impact. And FP&A is already positioned for that. 5th, career growth and visibility are better in FP&A. Let's talk about you for a second. If you're in FP&A, you're not hiding behind your desktop. You are presenting to the leadership, you're working across different departments, helping shape the pricing, hiring, and investment decisions. It gives you commercial exposure, a full view of the business, and strategic problem-solving experience. That is why more and more CEOs and CFOs are coming from FP&A backgrounds. It is not just a finance role, it is a leadership pipeline. What does this mean to you? If you are in finance today and you are wondering where to invest your energy, FP&A is one of the smartest bets. But here's the thing, it's not just about switching jobs. It's about building the right skills: financial modeling, business storytelling, scenario analysis, data visualization, partnering with non-finance teams, learning tools like Power BI, Anaplan, SQL, and many more FP&A tools. You don't need to do all at once, but you just need to start now. Final thoughts: FP&A is where finance meets strategy. It is where data meets business sense. And it is where you can make the biggest impact in your finance career. And not just in your job, but in the direction of the company as well. That's why FP&A is the future of finance. And if you're in it, you are at the right place. In the Certified Global FP&A Professional course that is offered by FP&A Professionals Institute, we cover practical techniques along with real-life cases of how you can become a strategic finance business partner. Check out the details in the description below. If this video gave you clarity, hit the like button. Subscribe and drop a comment below what excites you the most about working in FP&A or transitioning into it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.